on, guys? It's your boy Trace here coming at you guys a brand new video. And I'm sorry I've only posted one video and my voice sounded like a potato. So yeah, it was just horrible. My voice just sounded so bad, and so did everything else. I was walking around my room when I first moved into my house, and I have the good haircut. So, anyway, I'm coming at you guys with my video. Hopefully soon I will be able to make some Call of Duty videos because I'm doing the Xbox and yeah, I don't have any. Soon I'll be able to play with you guys. I already have an account for Xbox One, but it's not shipped yet, so that's kind of potato. Anyway, so pretty much what I'm going to be doing is just a little I'm going to try to make this video longer than 2 minutes. That's where anyway, I'm not even in my house right now. I'm at my friend's house. And tomorrow I'm going to do a vlog. And then I'm going to go back to my house and upload this from the house wall. I plan to do this every day as long as I can. Because I'm going to make a ton of videos before I go to Michigan to go see my dad. Because I'm in Massachusetts right now. And I've got to go see my dad in a couple weeks. So I gotta make as many videos as I can because I haven't made some in so long. I mean, literally so long. And that's just garbage. And yeah, so actually, just garbage. It refuses to turn on. It just refuses to turn on. It's not mine, thank God. But I'm actually soon I'll be coming out with a setup video. But since I am uber genius and I know how to do things, I found out a way where I can get a computer, and then I'll be able to get my Xbox One and play with you guys online, because I know, even though I've got 10 views on my last video, because my quality was like a potato, and it was just garbage, I swear. I'm sorry.
That's not fair.
It was.
Because if you can have a friend over this weekend and next weekend, then I should be allowed to have a friend over this weekend.
Yeah. I'm going to be doing vlogs tomorrow with my friend. If I go over his dad's house, because he's going to his dad's... Jesus. If I go over to his dad's house, I'll be doing vlogs with him, I hope. Because he needs to get his phone and stuff like that. So, if I do vlogs with him, then... Oh, Jesus. Then you guys will see him way more than you do. And his room is a mess, too. I don't know where he is. Actually, I need to go get a slice of pizza. I'm starving!
Yeah?
Kaden, you want to be in the vlog? Kaden,
Hey.
Yeah.
Go check out my channel. It's called Kaden Ryan.
Yeah, dude, you already got more views than me. Jesus, kid.
I know, on my first video I had 43 views.
I know. Dude, I was so hyped. Wait, where's the lights? Okay. Yeah. Oh, the lighting's better now. Sweet.
I know your camera sucks.
No, shut up.
I've got like 3 subscribers too.
I've got like 1.
Dalton?
No, not Dalton. I don't know who it is. But yeah, I've just been trying to post new videos because the ones that I post now are just potatoes, so. Oh my god, it's so hard for me to adapt to lighting. Because the ones I post now are absolute garbage. Oh my god. The ones I post now are absolute garbage. And, yeah, I kind of want to start doing gaming videos then again. I don't have everything yet. Like, I don't have the computer to edit on. I don't have the headset or the Xbox.
Just imagine if that one subscriber you had were one of my subscribers.
But no, I don't have anything yet, quite literally. And, yeah.
I'm doing a video on the oldest version of Minecraft right now. The very first version of Minecraft.
Yeah, let's do Minecraft Alpha.
That's the one with no sprint, no hunger, no creative, no adventure, barely any tools and armor.
Isn't it just all survival, like, survival, like, to the core? Actually, I think I did a thing one time. Hang on. She's gonna kill me! Dude, your mom's gonna kill me, dude. Come here.
You knocked down a plant pot.
Mm-hmm.
Whoa.
Dude, I'm so savage. I need to shop. Dude, your mom's gonna kill me. Just trying to shut the. This is too used to shut us. I'm done. Whatever.
Hype show right now.
Yeah. No. But guys, I've not been posting at all. Oh my god, that's so noisy. I've not been posting at all, quite literally. Because I don't. For some reason. I don't ever post, actually. I posted one garbage video where I literally didn't even show my face. I just looked and sounded like a potato. So, yeah. Kaden.
What?
Tomorrow I think we should go to Dippin' Donuts.
With what money?
The money your mom's gonna give us. They're gonna rob right now.
Nobody's hurt, but there will still be pain. It comes when your insurance company says they'll only pay 3/4 of what
Listen,
you
kid.
to replace
Last time I went to my dad's house, I took a $20 bill.
3/4 of a car.
So, where is it?
I
You lost it, didn't
had
you?
it in my backpack,
You lost it, didn't you?
and then
Caden, you
My-
lost a 20, didn't you?
my water bottle, the cover broke,
Oh my god.
and then dollar and the $20 bill, I just like completely just like tore to shreds in my bag.
I feel so sorry for him. I am absolutely starving, and there's nothing to eat. Barely, I hate that pizza. I don't eat Domino's. I mean, I don't know if you order from Domino's, but oh! There's nothing. I don't know. We have chips. Do you guys have dip?
I don't know, you asked me.
I did. For a reason. We have dip. We're doing a thing. Alright, I'm using these
Medium
headphones.
chunky.
Medium chunky? Dude, medium chunky. That's where it's at. I'm putting in headphones.
There's a donut in here.
Dude, eat it. I dare you. These aren't even headphones. Now she's literally... These aren't even my headphones, I meant. Now she's literally going to kill me.